So, back in the video, guys, I'm Real Fan Landon. Here is Amtrak P371 arriving Holland Station. Here we go. It's arriving Holland Station. So we can get a little bit better of a view here, guys. There we go. M327 to squared. Pier Hudsonville, so should be here relatively after Amtrak. So relatively soon. If any of you haven't watched my channel in a long time, or ever, if you're new to this channel, it's all about trains. By the way, this is Siemens Charger train right there. And then, of course, it's the Amtrak P371, which is a passenger train. And then M327 is a manifest freight. So yeah. So I'll continue filming until he departs, or I'll do a separate video. I might actually do a separate video. Okay. Make sure to like, comment for part 2, which is the departure video. I'm Real Fan Landon out.